G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Today's video we're going to be talking about, do you send the products out directly to your customers or should you enable the Amazon warehouse to do that for you? So stay with me guys, we're going to discuss that in today's very short video. Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here. My name's Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. So basically how to find products and launch them on sites like Amazon. So I've been doing this for quite a while and I actually know what it takes to build a successful Amazon business. I know the steps involved. I've done it for hundreds of clients actually getting their products onto Amazon. So if you have a shop right now, if you have inventory, if you've got stock right now, if you sell stuff on website, right, if you sell stuff on eBay, if you have a retail store, right, any physical product, if you sell any physical product of any kind, 99% of the time you can actually sell that on Amazon. And there is a good reason and good justification for you to be putting your stuff onto Amazon. So today's video is all about FBM or FBA. What does it stand for, right? FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant. What that basically means is you're sending it out. That's it, right? FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, which basically means you put your products into the Amazon warehouse and they send it out directly to customers. And not only do they do that, they look after shipping, picking, packing, tracking. Yeah, picking, packing, tracking. I love it. And they also look after the postage costs, right, to the warehouse. Now, of course, they're going to charge you a fee for this, right? But they look after everything. So if there's returns, if there's chargebacks, all that kind of stuff, they handle all the admin headaches for you. So you need to decide, what do you want to use? Do you want to send them out to yourself or do you want to use Amazon warehouse, right? And the costs differ from depending on the product, how much space it takes up, how big it is, that kind of thing, how heavy it is, that kind of thing. So the costs do vary. But in many cases, Amazon warehouse is usually pretty decent in terms of costs. It's actually better off getting them to do it if you're looking at time and costs and you've got to hire staff to send stuff out for you and store it somewhere. They do all that kind of stuff for you, right? So the question is, do you want to be sending it out yourself or getting a warehouse to do it for you, right? And this largely comes down to, where do you plan on selling your products? Are you selling these in Australia or are you planning on selling them in the USA? Another thing you need to decide, guys. All right, if your product is selling quite well here in Australia, why would you sell? Why would you keep not sell? Why would you not sell in Australia? All right, you want to be selling in America. Well, yeah, it's a different market, but by all means, you test it. And this is one thing which I'm very adamant about, which is you need to test anything, right? New products, you got to test it, right? In terms of new stock, different marketing methods, right? Different ads. You've got to be testing everything constantly. And this is something I talk about a lot with products, right? Testing products in different marketplaces, right? So if you have a product right now that is selling, let's say, for example, you're selling an iPhone case, right? So this case, let's say you're selling it in a store. It's $49.95, all right? This is an upmarket case, right? So $49.95. And let's say, for example, you're selling this in Australia. It's doing pretty well. Why not? And you've got a brand on it. Maybe you've got your own logo on it. Maybe you're selling someone else's brand, right? How do you go about selling this in the USA? Well, you wouldn't send over 1,000 units to USA warehouse and hope they sell, fingers crossed, right? You would initially send them out yourself from Australia. Yes, you'll be paying shipping costs, but you would be testing the product. You'll be making sure that you can actually sell this product, right? That's the best way to go about it. You always want to be testing different products, different marketplaces at all times. So guys, if you're interested in getting something started, don't forget we have a free training at our website, www.amzproductlauncher.com. Check it out. Give us a call in the office as well, 02 8003 7534. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you get your products onto Amazon. Amazon Australia, Amazon USA, doesn't matter. I'll help you get the products listed, copywritten, pretty much the entire end-to-end process of getting a product from where it is now, sitting on your website or sitting in your store, to getting it onto Amazon and getting it selling. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.